In this video, we are going to calculate cost for each activity to create the S curve. So first we have surveying and layout marking. Second we have excavation. Third leveling and compaction, lean concrete. You can see in our BOQ only major item is mentioned only. So we will divide this course to each activity. We will give some percentage as per the actual. So excavation in our BOQ is mentioned 6000 per meter cube, which is 36,000 total. Then we will go here, we will put 6000 per meter cube and we will multiply it from total quantity. It will become 36,000. We will drag it down to the end. Then leveling and compaction, we will take some amount from here like 500 only. We will put here to divide for each activity. Then we have lean concrete here. We will go to the lean. We will check amount. 1 meter cube we have 200 real. We will put here 180 or 200 completely we can put, because it is not divided to other activity. So total is 5800. Then we have steel binding for footing. We will check amount for footing. We have 1 meter cube 450 real. We will put here 450 for the pouring concrete. Total we have 6408. We will take some amount from here and we will put in the steel binding. Basically actual rate for the steel is 4 or 5 real per kg. So we will put actual. It will be 7536. It is not accurate to make the cost for this. You should have steel price separate. So I am putting only for your information. Just you have to do according your project BOQ and the agreement. Installation of shuttering for footing, we can put here some price also, like one carpenter salary per day 200 and 1 hour salary you can say 200 divided by 8, so it will become 25 per hour, or per square meter you can put his salary 50 real per square meter. Removal of shuttering you can put 50 real. Steel binding for column 5 real. Installation of shuttering and pouring concrete you can put 60 real. Backfilling you can check in the BOQ, which is mentioned 1500. Grade beam you can check in the BOQ. Grade beam is mentioned 500 real per meter cube. Then we have steel binding for column, we can put it for real. Installation of shuttering for column we can put 55 real. Pouring concrete for column we have price already for column 450. I will put here only 400 because I distribute the cost. Removal shuttering from column, I will put here 55 real per square meter. Scaffolding for slab, we have here 4 people and they will work for 2 days, so I will put 1 man 1 day. 200 multiplied by 4 men will be for 2 days 1600. We require per day 0.5, so it will be 0.5 only. But the formula we have to change. It is calculating from per day, it should be from total quantity, so I will change it completely. So now it's okay. Steel binding for slab and beam. Steel binding for slab and beam we can put for real. Scaffolding, sorry, pouring concrete, we can put 1 mason salary 200 real. Scaffolding removal we can put for people 200 real, and for 1 day we can put 800 real. Then we have block work. Block work we can check in the BOQ. We have 150 real per square meter. Plaster work we have in the BOQ 6000 real per square meter. Paint work we have in the BOQ 1500. Ceramic tiles we have 210 real. After ceramic we have skirting, which is 80 real per square meter. Doors and windows we have in the BOQ 6000 real per door. In the BOQ total is 90,000. Why it's not come 90,000? I think something wrong. The quantity is different here. 15. No, we have here only 6 door, so I will put here 6 as per the BOQ. Now it is 36,000, same as the BOQ. Snag list, we can total this cost completely and we can make a formula here, enter. So total is coming 233,000. We can check in the BOQ, our total price is only 42,000. Total amount not mentioned. Okay, we will calculate total amount for the BOQ. So total is 196,000 in the BOQ, and our cost here is coming 233,000, which is not matching from the BOQ. Something is increased, like steel bar we don't calculate as per the BOQ. It should be mentioned in the BOQ what is the price. So you have to do it according your BOQ. Just I am giving the numbers here for your information. So this is our cost analysis is complete. We will also put here man hours for each resources, we will plus why I am doing this, because when we will export this data to the P6, it should be in one row. So I put it in one row. You can see 90 masons we required. I put here in as a man hours here in one column, so it can be easily import to the P6. In the next video we will talk about resources, how to create the resources and how to assign these resources to the each activity in the Primavera P6. Thank you.